Hey friends! In this video, we'll be showing you how to make this extra large cinnamon roll. To begin the cinnamon rolls, I'm going to measure in 2 cups of flour into the bowl. Half a cup of sugar, 2 packages of yeast, and 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to mix this together and get ready to add the wet ingredients. I'm going to add the beaten egg and stir that around for just a minute. Give the egg and the flour mixture a quick stir, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the milk and butter and water and stir that well. Add a couple more cups of flour. Going to stir it really good and begin to knead it. See how beautiful the ball is now? It's smooth and elastic. So now we're going to put it in a warm place and let it raise. Got it out from raising, and I'm going to be rolling it out on the board now. It's beautiful. I got it all rolled out, and now I'm going to begin spreading the butter. Now I'll be sprinkling the brown sugar all over the top, just covering it really good. After you got your dough all covered with the brown sugar, I don't really measure it, I just spread it all over the top with the brown sugar. And next I'll be sprinkling cinnamon all over the top. In family, this is the best cinnamon. You have got to get it from King Arthur flour, and it's got the most rich taste you've ever had, so I definitely recommend getting some. Then just begin to roll up jelly roll fashion. Go ahead now and seal the edges. See, you just pinch them together. You want it to be really long because I'm going to be curling it around and putting it in a big circle pan. I'm pulling on the long cinnamon roll to make it a little longer because I'm going to be coiling it up and putting it into my pan now. Gently pushing it around to fit into the pan. Go to the link in the description box below the video to get the recipe for this giant cinnamon roll. Have a good week and see you next time.